Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off and unplug the laptop, then remove the battery if you can. Use a small Phillips or Torx and plastic pry tool to lift the screen bezel gently. You're exposing the camera assembly. Keep screws sorted in labeled groups so reassembly is painless. Once the bezel pops free, make sure not to tug on cables, feel for connector tabs, and note their orientation. This prevents damage when you later access the lens inside the camera housing. You'll now remove the camera module screws and carefully lift the module while supporting the ribbon cable. Once exposed, blow away loose particles using short compressed air bursts at a 45 degrees angle. This avoids pushing debris further in. For smudges, apply 1 drop of lens-safe solution to the microfiber, not the lens, and gently dab in concentric motions. You clean, not scratch. Make sure to let any moisture evaporate. Recheck the lens under light, so you know the job is done correctly. Once the lens is clean, reconnect the ribbon cable and seat the camera module, tightening screws just enough to secure it. Repress the bezel into place, reinsert the battery, and power up. Open your camera app and inspect the image for clarity and alignment. If you still see blur or artifacts, make sure connectors are fully seated, repeat a gentle cleaning, and run a software camera test to rule out driver issues. If mechanical damage appears, stop and consult a repair professional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.